Welcome to another day of Minecraft. Today we're going to figure out how this works so we can make gunpowder. Shall we? I'm sorry about not posting every day because I said that I wanted my content to be more focused and edited so it don't feel like I'm just yapping and it's boring, you know? So let's place a millstone and see how this works. Do you work on a millstone? Nope, no you don't. Or a cow. Yeah, we definitely need a lead. Well, let's find slime then. We're just gonna explore today. Explore different biomes and maybe we can get back home. Hopefully. Crafting table. Give me a boat. We're going to travel. Don't know where. I don't want to see any of this. We already have it. What we need now is either a black forest biome or a jungle biome. Okay. Wow. I think this is the castle. Yeah, it is the castle. Huh. Now that's a big cave. Oh, okay. A pillager hut. A pillager hut. Not bad. Do we have any ammo for killing? No, don't. No, we don't have. I'm not trying to do anything. I'm not trying to get into business. No, don't shoot at me. I'm just wandering, passing by. Still no jungle biome or something, but we found a lot of villagers though. This is a rich biome. What is this? Oh, a plantation on the hillside. Cool. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Oh wow. What's this called again? Cherry blossom trees. Yes, cherry blossom trees. And a bunch of oak trees. I think this is it. I think this is kind of it. And we're out of the mountain. Why is there so many animals up there? Oh wow. What is that on the top? This is cool. This is really cool. Let me go check it out. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I think I'm very lucky because this is a a farm. 3 irons. I don't have any irons down though. Lemon haze and bubble kush. Hello there. Hello there, dealer. Well, I will come next time, alright? Okay. It's getting nighttime though. Need to go back. Whoa, we found a lot of stuff on the way. Wow. Wow. What is this flower? An allium. Maybe you can spend the night over here, I guess. Is there any beds? No, not really. There is.